world premiere.
Z-Mac on the track, man.
Exclusive. Christian Beatles. We about to start this movie.
Yes, I can. Download the introduction. We about to change some lives. And when the whole world's repeating this, then we arrive. This for my generation, my family and friends. We've all been through the fight, so now we about to start this trend. I see this like a movement, an anthem for this time. The match that sparks improvement, concentrated in my rhymes. There's power in expression to move the public eye. There's power in this music, we decide there's no compromise. Economies have fallen, we all could use a boost. I wonder what would happen if we started spilling truth. A task that's overwhelming, but I can surely dream. A demonstration of when words become like laser beams. We'll make the news with this one, but that ain't what we about. 3 words that make a difference, tweet them, I'ma spell them out. Here's what you say when you're feeling out of in it. Simple, YESICAN. When people tell you what you never do. Yes, I can. Wanna be a part of something new. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. If you believe in making history. Yes, I can. You gotta help us shape the industry. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. I believe collectively we could soon effectively help to bring positive change all prospectively. So we'll selectively speak this objectively. Yes, I can. When a problem is perpetually holding us back from what we feel is our destiny. Yes, I can. When circumstances get the best of me. One simple phrase that you speak every day while at school, while at work, as we slowly move away from the old to this new, where your future's up to you, where the once we wish is the now we do. See, there's power in our numbers, here's the choice, it's up to you. Take a moment, find a way to help me grow this into the new thing someone says off the top of their head. When this life brings resistance, I need your assistance. Yes, I can and I will with persistence. Now is our time, don't miss this. Listen. When people tell you what you never do. Yes, I can. You wanna be a part of something new. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. You believe in making history. Yes, I can. You gotta help us shape the industry. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
So here's what you do if this music speaks to you. Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. Every time you run into obstacles that hinder you from what you know you should do. Be creative and be cool, yo. Together we can do anything that we choose. Show this world just how much power's in a simple me and you. And when people tell you stop it, tell them change is overdue. Yes, I can, you should too. This is a song I got for you. Here's the link, just listen to
When
it.
people tell you what you never do. Yes, I can. You wanna be a part of something new. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. You believe in making history. Yes, I can. You gotta help us shape the industry. Yes,